The Bose Sport Open earbuds combine exclusive Bose Open audio technology with a unique open-ear design to create a truly innovative experience. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your earbuds. Let's begin by opening the box. The first things you'll see are the Quick Start Guide and carry case. Open the carry case to reveal your Bose Sport Open earbuds. Next, you'll find the charging base. And finally, important safety information. Okay, now let's set up your earbuds. To charge them, connect the USB cable attached to the charging base to a USB-A power supply and then plug it into an AC power outlet. Look for the L&R markings to ensure you place the correct earbud on the correct side. The earbuds will magnetically snap into place, and the status lights will blink white to indicate they're charging. When the batteries are fully charged, the status lights glow solid white. When powering on for the very first time, press the button on the left earbud first, and then press the button on the right earbud. The status lights blink white twice, and then glow according to the Bluetooth connection status. You can add your earbuds via the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device. However, to adjust settings and receive future software updates, we recommend downloading the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Log in or create a new My Bose account. From the My Bose screen, tap the plus button and then select Headphones and Frames. A scan will begin searching for your earbuds. Once they appear, tap Connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your earbuds. Once connected, the earbud status lights will glow solid blue, and you'll hear a voice prompt announce the connected mobile device. Going forward, the button on the right earbud will power both earbuds on and off. Press and hold it for 1 second to power them both off, and press it once to power them both on. You can also use it to pair your earbuds to a different device. Please note, you can connect and play audio from only one device at a time. With the earbuds powered on, press and hold the button on the right earbud for 5 seconds. Release the button when you hear
"Ready to connect,"
or when you see the status lights slowly blink blue. Repeat the steps we mentioned earlier to pair your earbuds with another device. Always remember to power off the earbuds whenever you're no longer using them. For the best battery performance, we recommend storing the earbuds on the charging base when not in use. For additional support, visit our website.